Hello, this story is called Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose. To lift the flap. Stop, said the Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose. Click, clop, troll. This is my log. Stop there on the grass. I won't let you pass. Let me pass, said the flip-flop frog. This is my pond. Let me pass or I'll hop on your log. Hop, said the Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose. Clip, clop, troll. You can hop, you can plop, you can flip, you can flop. But this is my log. I won't let you pass. Let me pass, said the plump old rat. This is my pond. Let me pass or I'll jump on your hat. Jump, said the Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose. Clip, clop, troll. You can jump, you can clump, you can bump, you can thump. But this is my log and I won't let you pass. Let me pass, said the cold old wind from the end of the pond. This is my pond. Let me pass or I'll huff and I'll puff. And I'll blow your big log to the end of the land. Huff, said the Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose, clip, clop, troll. You can huff, you can puff, you can puff, you can. But this is my log and I won't let you pass. Huff. The cold old wind from the end of the pond was cross. I am the boss, he said to the Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose, clip, clop, troll. Hop, said the wind to the flip-flop frog. Jump, said the wind to the plump old rat. Then he huffed and he puffed and he puffed and he huffed and he blew all the Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose, clip, clop, troll to the end of the land. Stop. And the Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose, clip, clop, troll was never seen again. Plop. Jump, huff. This is a nice rhyming book. You try saying Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose, clip, clop. That is really not easy. Try again. Snuck-Snack Sniffle-Nose, clip, clop. I wonder how many times you can say it without making a mistake. You try. Bye.